Hi everyone! Have you ever posted a story on Instagram and didn't want anyone to comment on it? The good news is, you can easily turn off story comments. Here's how. 1. Open the Instagram app on iPhone or Android. 2. Tap on your profile icon to go to your page. 3. At the top right, tap the three lines, also known as the menu. 4. Go into Settings. 5. Find and select the Comments option. 6. Under Who Can Comment, choose Stories. 7. A few options will appear. To turn it off completely, just select Off. That's it. From now on, no one will be able to comment on your Instagram stories. And if you ever want to turn comments back on, just follow the same steps and change the option. This feature is really useful when you want to share a story without getting any replies or distractions. That's all for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips.